Students need tools to do their best in the classroom. Chromebooks, laptops, and computers are becoming more and more commonplace as one of these tools. But how do teachers and tech teams manage these type of devices in the classroom? Senso.cloud is like a multifunction tool that districts are providing to their teachers and tech teams to be able to do things like broadcast, remote view and control, send out websites, open applications. And now we also offer Google Classroom Sync that makes it even easier to keep track of devices as they move around the school. Senso also offers a safeguarding tool that helps keep students safe online. It also has the ability to log violations and website activity and lock down the internet and block access to inappropriate and non-educational sites. Would you like to know more about our cloud-based network and classroom management solution? Come on over to senso.cloud or give us a call. And don't forget to ask about our free trial. Thanks for watching.